Once upon a time, nestled in the heart of Mapleberry Lane, lived a curious little girl named Maisie. With bright eyes and boundless energy, Maisie loved exploring the dusty corners of her attic, a treasure trove of forgotten trinkets and faded photographs. One rainy afternoon, amidst cobwebbed teacups and chipped porcelain dolls, she stumbled upon a peculiar wooden box. Intrigued, Maisie pried it open. Inside, nestled on a bed of velvet, lay a pocket watch, its golden face etched with strange symbols and its hands frozen at an odd angle. A shiver of excitement ran down her spine. As she gingerly picked it up, a soft chime echoed through the attic, and the symbols on the watch began to glow. Suddenly, the world spun around Maisie. The attic vanished, replaced by a cobblestone street bustling with horse-drawn carriages and ladies in crinoline dresses. She blinked, bewildered, her heart pounding like a hummingbird's wings. A kind-faced woman with a lace cap smiled at her. "Well, hello there, little miss," she chirped. "Lost your way, have you?" Maisie, still reeling from the shock, explained about the watch and the attic. The woman's eyes widened. "My dear," she gasped, "that's not just any watch. It's a time hopper, an heirloom passed down through our family for generations." The woman, revealed to be Maisie's great-great-grandmother, explained that the time hopper could transport anyone to any era they desired. Together, they embarked on a whirlwind adventure through history. They sipped tea with Marie Antoinette in Versailles, danced with pirates on a moonlit Caribbean ship, and even helped cheer on the Wright brothers' first flight at Kitty Hawk. With each adventure, Maisie learned valuable lessons about courage, kindness, and the importance of cherishing every moment. However, a nagging worry began to tug at her heart. She missed her own time, her family, and with a heavy heart, she bid farewell to her great-great-grandmother and held the time hopper close. Back in the attic, the familiar scent of dust and sunshine washed over her. She hugged her knees, tears welling up in her eyes. Suddenly, a giggle broke the silence. Her little brother Tommy stood before her, a mischievous glint in his eyes. "What's that shiny thing?" he asked, pointing at the watch. Maisie smiled, a plan sparkling in her mind. "It's a magic watch," she declared, winking, "and it knows the perfect place for a tea party." And so, armed with imagination and a sprinkle of time travel, Maisie and Tommy embarked on their own adventure, right there in the attic, their laughter echoing through the dusty rafters, proving that even the most ordinary days can be extraordinary when sprinkled with a dash of time-travelling magic.